Hey guys, how are you doing? Apple have released iOS 18 software update officially, and you might be reading the news on Twitter and several other social media websites. And when you check on your iPhone or iPad for, by going to settings, general, software update section, you may be seeing that the iOS 17 is the updated latest version, and there are no new updates available on your iPhone. Right now on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, I'm running the iOS 18.1 beta, but just as an example, I'm showing you that instead of the newly available iOS 18 update prompt, you might be seeing software is up to date section and wondering how to fix the problem. Otherwise, if you are seeing iOS 17.7 update instead of iOS 18 update on your iPhone or iPad, you need to check little below here on the also available section which shows upgrade to iOS 18. Tapping on this section will expand and it will show you the iOS 18 update. So make sure to follow the troubleshooting steps that I'm about to suggest and then check again on your software update page. So the very first troubleshooting step after checking available software update section, you need to perform a simple restart of your iPhone. Tap and hold the volume down button and then the side button for a couple of seconds, and then you will see this slide to power off. Simply perform the restart and then check whether the software update is available or not. For some reasons, due to software bugs, iOS is up to date message and instead of seeing the latest software download. Once you restart your iPhone, if you're still not seeing the iOS 18 update, you need to make sure to check whether the beta updates toggle is on by any chance. Normally it'll be set to off. If you're still stuck in iOS 17, then this step can be skipped. Then in the next step, you need to navigate inside settings and then scroll down to general and scroll down to the last VPN and device management. Here, if the iPhone or iPad is provided by an organization or your company that you're working on, then they may have installed some MDM profiles to manage the iPhone or iPad remotely. In such case, only the administrator of your IT team can decide whether to install iOS software updates or any third-party applications on your device or not. If you see any company profile or MDM, device management related profile in this page, then you cannot remove that, and instead you need to check with your IT team whether it is okay to install to the latest software update, or they will let you know when will be the right time to install to the latest iOS version when all the application compatibility or any new features that are coming to the iOS 18, the core framework that has to be okay with the applications and your company management systems. So based on that, they will push the update and you cannot do anything about it in order to update to the iOS 18 on your device if there is any MDM profile installed. The last troubleshooting step that you need to do is you need to switch network. Like if you are using mobile data in order to update to the iOS 18, I suggest that it is a very bad idea. Instead, you need to connect to a stable Wi-Fi connection, not a personal hotspot or not a hotspot, from any portable modem. You need to connect to a stable Wi-Fi connection and then check the software update page. For network cache or network temporary memory related issues, some users may not see the update right away after it is released. Changing the network, to a stable Wi-Fi connection from mobile data, or if the Wi-Fi is causing the trouble, then you can switch to the mobile data and check once whether the update is available or not. It is always recommended to avoid any file corrupt issues or installation issues or any, the iPhone getting stuck in the boot loop while performing the update. So these are the troubleshooting steps you can try to fix iOS 18 update not showing on iPhone or iPad. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day.